Get ready to witness a tech titan's comeback. Jeff Bezos, one of the world's wealthiest and most iconic CEOs, is stepping back into the spotlight, but with a twist. After a 3-year hiatus from the CEO role, Bezos is diving headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence as co-CEO of a bold new venture. According to a New York Times report, https://2025-11-17 Technology Bezos Project Prometheus.html. This isn't just another tech startup. It's a moonshot named Project Prometheus, aimed at revolutionizing industries like research, engineering, and manufacturing using AI. But here's where it gets intriguing. Unlike the AI applications most people associate with chatbots or apps, this company is targeting what it calls the physical economy. Tangible, real-world breakthroughs that could reshape how we build, create, and innovate. And this is the part most people miss. While Bezos is the household name, his co-CEO, Dr. Vik Bajaj, brings a powerhouse resume to the table. A chemist, physicist, and former leader of life sciences at Google X, Bajaj has a track record of turning speculative research into groundbreaking products. Think Waymo's self-driving tech. His experience at Alphabet-backed groups like Verily and AI incubators like Foresight Labs adds a layer of scientific rigor to Bezos's visionary ambition. But here's the controversial part. Can a tech billionaire and a research scientist truly bridge the gap between AI and the physical world? Or is this just another Silicon Valley experiment destined for hype without substance? As Project Prometheus takes flight, one thing's for sure, the world will be watching. What do you think? Is this the future of AI, or just another overpromised venture? Let's debate in the comments.